Welcome back to our blog, Understanding Random Variable and Probability. Now, we make math fun and easy to understand. Today, we're debating between two, a probability and a random variable with a real-life scenario. Meet Jessica. She went out to buy snacks, not just for herself, but for her friends too. The question is, what is the value of the random variable B, which represents the number of biscuits she buys? Now, let's talk about probability. Suppose we have the following probability for Jessica buying biscuits. Each probability depends on different factors, like Jessica's budget, her friends' preference, and how hungry they are. But if we have separate probability values, we can calculate the likelihood of each event happening. Understanding random variable and probability help us in real life decisions, from shopping to producing outcomes in game and even making business decisions. So next time you're out buying snacks, think about the probability at play. That is for today's math adventure. If you found this helpful, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for math fun learning moments. See you in the next vlog.
Bye-bye!
Thank you.